This is just in thanks to our friend Ray for Tesla on Twitter. Ray tweets and says that Tesla China is on a massive hiring spree for production operators for all the departments at Gigafactory 3 at Giga Shanghai. For the following 4 departments, the hiring indicates specific number of spots available. In motor shop, 180 people are needed. In GA department, General Assembly department, 370 people are needed. In the body department, 140 people are needed. In the logistics department, 200 people are needed. And he is asking, is this hiring for phase 2? We're looking forward to hearing more on this. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you would like to know daily Tesla breaking news, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our next Tesla story. Joey Klender from Teslarati writes an article on this and says Tesla is preparing for Model Y pilot line in China with massive hiring ramp. And Joey says that this massive hiring ramp may be because Tesla is preparing for Model Y's pilot line. If you remember, several days ago we reported that Tesla's phase 2 buildings are almost ready and they are working an inside technology and equipment installation, and that the pilot line for pilot production line for Model Y was about to start. And this news all bodes well with all this together, and Joey may be right saying that Tesla is preparing for the production of the Model Y in China at its Giga Shanghai facility phase 2 with a massive hiring ramp of nearly 900 manufacturing jobs. Joey continues saying Tesla is preparing for the first production push for the Model Y crossover in the Chinese market and expects to begin production at the beginning of 2021. Interesting, 2 things are going to happen in 2021. The beginning of 2021, Model Y electric crossover production at Giga Shanghai in China. In the middle or late spring 2021, Model Y production at Giga Berlin in Germany. 2 very interesting events about Model Y news. Before the manufacturing efforts at China can continue, the company must hire a sizable team that will be able to handle the large-scale production of the Tesla Model Y electric crossover. So like I said, our friend Tesla owner and enthusiast Ray for Tesla, that's his Twitter handle, tweeted and shared the job postings which detail the position names and the number of workers the company plans to hire for the project. Totally nearly 900 people are needed. So Giga Shanghai is currently under expansion to make room for Model Y production. Phase 2 of the Giga Shanghai facility will build the electric crossover, and Tesla is also using a new manufacturing process for the vehicle through a massive casting machine, which I have discussed in this channel before. Joey also says that Tesla is not only hiring for the casting workshop but also in 8 other areas. The largest hiring pushes will take place in the motor workshop with 180 open positions, the assembly workshop with 370 jobs, and the body shop with 140 positions. This is a lot of people working at Tesla Giga Shanghai's phase 2 department and not the whole list. Joey says that each of these portions of the Giga Shanghai phase 2 facility are geared toward hiring production operators who will be responsible for putting together the Model Y on the production line. These areas require the highest number of workers to ensure the production of the vehicle is efficient and manageable. Among other positions available for the Tesla Model Y line at Giga Shanghai are in the stamping, paint, logistic, quality, and supercharging shops, all of which will contribute in all hands on deck approach to the quality arriving date at production of the electric crossover Model Y. Joey also says that from Teslarati, the effort of hiring more workers at Giga Shanghai follows a company-wide expansion of the team in China altogether. Not only is Tesla looking to add more team members at its Giga Shanghai manufacturing facility, but the company has also posted several jobs offering throughout various areas of China that are located at service centers and showrooms. The wave of new hires is in preparation for the increased demand that Tesla has experienced in China since beginning deliveries of the Model 3 in January 2020. The mass market sedan has quickly become the most popular electric car in China, overtaking BYD Kin Pro. The Model 3 shares 13% of the total market share of electric vehicles sold in China in 2020, which is over 2.5 times larger than the Kin Pro EV by BYD, which only has 5% of electric vehicle sales, blog reported. Tesla is anticipating on the Model Y being the company's most popular vehicle yet because of its body style and increased cargo space. The company focused on improving the manufacturing of Tesla Model Y, which started with improving the chassis and eliminating so many pieces from the car's frame. The casting machine will create a one-piece chassis that will increase manufacturing efficiently. Although this also comes with a question. The question is, what happens if there is an accident, or if there is something happens, even a minor accident, if the whole body is only one piece? Right now Tesla is going for two pieces, and then Elon Musk said eventually it will become one piece. But what if there is a minor accident? Is the whole body going to be somehow repaired, or the whole body is going to be changed? That would be very expensive, and I would like to know how Tesla can address this question. Now Joey also says that pair the manufacturing development with larger team at Giga Shanghai, and Tesla could begin building the Model Y and could enter the production sooner than expected. An all new Model Y related ultra high performance tire worthy of its name, and you're respected. Let me know, friends, what you think about this developments. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. If you would like to submit Tesla stories to Torque News, you have an opinion about current news and would like to have a Tesla story, please let me know. Contact me. We're hiring Tesla reporters for TorqueNews.com. You can see our Tesla daily coverage. We have 3-4 stories each day on Tesla at TorqueNews.com/Tesla. And have a wonderful day. I'll see you in our next report. God bless you. Take good care of each other, and see you soon with more interesting daily Tesla stories coming later today.